How many times have you been told, stop cracking knuckles, you'll get arthritis? Well, is this true or just a myth? I'll be breaking it down as a physiotherapist and you'll be surprised by the answer. Hi, I'm Dr. Ramya, a physiotherapist, and welcome to my physiotherapy myth busting. If you love learning about your body, then hit the subscribe button. Cracking your knuckles damages joints sounds scary, right? But before you stop, let's see what really happens when you crack them. Think of your joints. Inside them, we have fluid with tiny gas bubbles. When you crack your knuckles, it's just the bubbles bursting and not your joints grinding. A Harvard study and decades of research confirm that there is no link between joint cracking and arthritis. In fact, a doctor cracked only one hand for 60 years and found zero difference between both hands. So crack away, but if you get pain when doing it, stop. That could mean you're having an underlying joint issue. Tag your friend who says knuckle cracking is bad and subscribe for more myth busting facts.